whenever I started like getting ideas and stuff, I decided I should just make a video about it, because that's what I do in life, is I make videos about everything. Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a super exciting video for you guys. It's kind of going to be like a DIY slash fashion hacks video, but all to do with pink ribbon. So I am really excited about this one because I wanted to do all these hacks for myself for a while, and whenever I started like getting ideas and stuff, I decided I should just make a video about it, because that's what I do in life, is I make videos about everything. But I am really excited to show you guys these ones, and I got to go to the fabric store and pick out all of my heart's desire in pink ribbon. I've always wanted to just buy everything in that aisle, and this time I got to. But it only ended up being like $21 for a bunch of pink ribbon, and I did use coupons, keep that in mind. But so that's what makes all these hacks like super cool, because they're really inexpensive and simple. One of them I believe requires basic sewing skills, but the rest are mostly just cut and tie, and just different ideas with what you can do with pink ribbon or whatever color ribbon to spice up your outfits. Now I don't want to spoil too much, so let's get right into it. So here is our pink ribbon haul. The first project that we're going to be doing is a ribbon lanyard. And what you'll need is obviously your ribbon of choice, some thread and needle to match, and the part to attach your keys. First, just cut the length of ribbon that you want for your lanyard, and then lay that out like so and fold both of the ends into each other. Then you're just going to slide your hook onto the ribbon, and you are going to put the ends back together, that way you can sew them closed. This is just the one project that requires basic sewing skills, but you could also glue this closed as well if you'd like. So once you have that bottom part sewed together, just go ahead and cut off the excess fabric, slide your little key ring or hook down, and then sew on top of that so it'll stay in place. And of course, if you'd like, you could also use glue for this as well. Now we are also going to be making a little keychain with a little decorative bow on it. I'm going to be weaving my pink ribbon through this chain here like so. Once I have it threaded through the chain, I just go underneath it and then back through the hole over the top. That way the ribbon is facing down again to go to the next chain link. And then you kind of end up with this cute half braided chain, and we are going to be putting a bow at the end of it. So for the bow, I'm just going to wrap it around my hand like this. Make sure it's nice and even, and then put a stitch right through the middle of it and wrap the thread around it to make sure it's secure. And I do add a little knot to it before cutting it off, and you have a cute little perfect bow. Almost, at least. You just have to add one more little piece of ribbon in the middle, and I am just going to glue this part on. And then once you have your bow finished, you can just kind of attach it on the end with the excess ribbon that you used from your braiding. And I just kind of improvised this part, so I just wrapped it around almost like I did to the center of the bow. So you might even be able to skip that step. And then I just glued it together. At the top of the chain where the ribbon is still loose, I just glued that down to kind of attach itself to the other side. And now I'm just opening up the top chain link to attach the clip. And that is pretty much it, other than just burning the edges of the ribbon so it doesn't fray. And you are done. So the next ribbon hack is to cover your purse handles in a really pretty nice ribbon. This will really help to prevent wear on your handbags that are maybe white or light colored, or if your handles are already worn, a really good way to cover them up and protect them. So I'm just using this really thick pink ribbon to go around and around the handle, and then once I'm at the end, I'm just going to cut it off and kind of roll it to create a finished edge, and then just glue the ribbon onto itself. That way I'm not gluing anywhere on the purse. And then I'm just going to tie a cute little bow on the handle here. And that part is optional. And then I also wanted to do this to my white Chanel bag to prevent wear on the handle here, because it is such a light colored bag. And then I also thought the bow would look super cute on this handbag as well. And what's so nice about this hack is you can always replace the ribbon for a different color or take it off if you'd like, and it is a super cute and stylish way to protect your bags. So next up is this pink ribbon hair tie, and this one is going to be super duper easy. You just wrap the pink ribbon all the way around the hair tie until both of the ends meet, and then you make kind of a little bow with the two ends, and hot glue another piece of the ribbon around to make the bow shape. And then of course you probably want to burn the edges of the ribbon like I did on the other one, but other than that you are done. And then an even easier version of this hack would be just putting your hair up into a normal ponytail and then tying a ribbon around that. So this next one is a really easy way to make any pair of sneakers super cute and extra looking, and it's just replacing the normal laces with ribbon, and it makes it look super cute and girly. You just have to make sure the ribbon is thin enough to make it through the sneaker lace-up holes provided. So I just took out the laces, keeping note on how it was laced up originally, that way I could do the ribbon the same exact way. Now look at how much more girly and extra these sneakers look just from changing out the laces. And you could also do white if you wanted a more toned down look, or anything to really match your sneakers. So here's another super duper easy hack that you just might not be taking advantage of, and it's using your ribbon as a choker. You can pick any color or size you want, and it adds a super cute bow detail to your outfit as well. Do note you can also use it to make a matching bracelet too. So this next one is perfect for a loose fitted piece. You just need some thick ribbon to tie around your waist kind of as a belt, and it'll really help define your waist and also add a super cute bow detail that you could put either in the front or the back. You can also use your ribbon as an actual belt and put it through some jean loops to add a super feminine touch to any outfit. There are loads of different ways to tie ribbons around shoes to add a super cute bow detail to them, which is really in this spring. You can tie them around the top of your boots like this here, which I thought looked super cute. Or you can also tie them around the sole of your shoe like this on pretty much any shoe. Another way to transform a pair of boots with ribbon is just wrapping the ribbon all the way up the length of the boot, which kind of creates this really pretty design on the boot, and you can pick any color you want. And you can also use a matching ribbon to turn any pair of pumps into a pair of super cute strappy heels. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's ribbon hacks video. I super enjoyed making all these different things because they're all so me. Let me know if you have any other video suggestions for me as well down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Love you guys, and I will see you next time.